This was the first group of attorneys admitted to the inner chamber since Barbados became a republic. The 6 females were Solicitor General Anika Jackson, attorneys at law Tammy Bryan, Gillian Clark, Kathy Ann Hamlin, Angela Mitchell-Gittins, and Lizelle Weeks. The males were Minister of Information Wilfred Abrams, former ministers Edmund Hinkson, Rudolph Cappy Greenidge, and Stephen Lashley, as well as Liston Seal. One more attorney, Speaker of the House of Assembly Arthur Holder, was not present as he was away on government business. In an acceptance speech to the Chief Justice on behalf of the group, spokesman Rudolph Cappy Greenidge suggested a mentorship program for new attorneys, noting the profession is at crossroads.
That is a fact, because I have never had a situation where you've heard so many people saying so many things in a negative way about the legal profession. I think that the majority of lawyers are extremely honest people. Yes, we have the bad apples, but the message being sent is that, there's nearly all of the majority of them are like that, and you have to do some pulling back. I don't think lawyers are by and large dishonest people. You have to weed the bad apples out.
Ms. Weeks said she was happy and excited, but much comes with the elevation.
It is a pleasure, it is a privilege, it is also an obligation. As Cappy said, we do have an obligation to train juniors, to show them what is the right way, to make sure that we live up to the expectation, to be seniors and leaders in the profession. So that is where we are now. And as Cappy says, we expect to live up to all of our obligations as senior counsel, as members of the inner bar.
MP Hinkson said it was a result of hard work, service and dedication, and he too was happy to be recognized.
I am certainly happy and proud to be one of the first senior counsel after our republic. It is something that I feel extremely proud about, because I don't know how we could have continued with Queen's Counsel, and then after Queen dies, King's Counsel, when we are now a republic. It is something perhaps that has come 2 years too late, should have been done when we were a republic, when we became a republic, but better late than never.
The Solicitor General described it as a signal honor.
This is a noble profession, and that is what we are trying to uphold, and we need to get back there.
Minister Abrams said the occasion was memorable, but the journey was long and he was not alone.
It is not just the support in the legal profession, right? We don't get there by ourselves. I mean, our families, our friends sacrifice. It's the junior lawyers who supported me all the way through. My wife, I owe my wife a debt of gratitude. She's been my biggest support, pushing me all the time to do better. And so I want to thank my parents, I want to thank my wife, I want to thank my juniors, I want to thank everybody who helped me to get here. And you know what? We can't do it without God.
Chief Justice the Honourable Patterson Cheltenham commended the new senior counsels. He said the profession is under scrutiny and the honour has brought them into the long and searching gaze of the public. Trevor Thorpe, CBC News.